Time with Miss Jane. Today we're going to be making a card using some scraps because who doesn't have lots of scraps laying around? So let's get started. Nice and quick one today. Coming in with the Happiness Abounds stamp set and Blossoming Happiness Dies. And we're going to do just a little bit of stamping and colouring in. So I do have a rose and a leaf, and I'm just going to stamp a couple of leaves, and I'm going to stamp a rose just on some white scraps that I had previously. So, and I have my Parakeet Party blends. So I'm not being too fussy with this one at all. So some dark. So I have this and this card, and I'm going to come in with the happy birthday sentiment, and I'm going to heat emboss that in white. So stamping my happy birthday, hopefully somewhere there in the middle, and bring in my white embossing powder. Whoop. A little or a lot, she says. And it just happens to be a lot. I did get tongs today so I don't burn my fingers. And turning on the noisy heat tool machine. Okay, we've got a white happy birthday on our black. And I'm going to chop out that with this sentiment die from Potted Succulents Dies, and I will need my leaf die and this rose die from the Blossoming Happiness Dies. Bring in my mini toy. So I have a base, I have a number 2. I'm going to go this way, and let's see, poke you through. Let's try the rose and the leaf. Pop that on there. That on there. And we have a happy birthday. Now, I'm not sure if I need these leaves yet. I have already gone ahead and done the polished pink one, a pale papaya one, and another couple of leaves. I have an A4 base, and I had these gorgeous colors sitting in front of me. Polished pink, pale papaya, Orchid, Oasis, and Parakeet Party, and I thought they look so pretty together. So I just have little strips, roughly 1 centimeter to 1.5 centimeters by 14.9, the length of the card. Some are a little bit bigger, and we're just going to pop them on our card. Now that was the basic design of the sketch that I saw that I wanted to play with, and I thought we'll just dress it up a little bit. I have a cutout vellum circle that was just in my stash, so I'm going to use that as well. We'll add some multi-purpose liquid glue to at the bottom to a polished pink piece. and glue that down, making sure I'm from the top. Now I do expect to have to cut a little bit off the bottom of a couple of these. They may have been a little bit longer than the 14.9. So for strips, I'm sure you've got lots of little strips left in your stash of choppy cardstock. So let's see, we've got them to reach the top. And I think it's only the pink I need to trim. I'll just take my scissors on the back of that and give it a choppy. There we are. We'll add a bit of tape on the back of the vellum. Now I'm adding that tape where it shouldn't be seen because I'm going to cover up with some roses and some leaves. Add a couple of pieces there. Now let's have some dimensionals on the pink one. Whoop. Okay, let's add some blue to the back of these ones. And this gorgeous colour one. And we want some leaves. Let me just stick this one down too so that I can fit my leaves in behind. And has she left herself enough room, Miss Jane? So leaf in there. A leaf in there. And one in there coming out the side. And the back. And don't know if that's where I wanted that. That works for me. That works for me. And there's no bling, there's no ribbons, just a simple using up my scraps, doing a bit of colouring in, and makes for a nice, pretty and bright card. Get out your scraps and have a play. Use them all up. And thanks for spending some time with Miss Jane today. Until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.